Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to connect Squarespace domain to Hostinger. In order to connect Squarespace domain to Hostinger, you just have to follow the steps. First thing first, you want to go and log into your squarespace.com. So type in that on a web address bar and enter in your credential. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which will look something like this. While you're on this page, click on domain from the top right hand side, and here look for the domain where you actually want to go ahead and do which you want to connect to. So once you've done it, so next you'll be taken to this sort of page where you have to click on DNS. Once you click on DNS, you could see this page where you have to go ahead and click on domain name server. Once you click on it, you could find out a list of options. So you could go ahead and click on use custom name server. As you do that, here you have to go ahead and type in the name. Now in my case, I have actually found out this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in that, and once I've actually done it, so it's gonna be added or it's gonna be connected. Likewise, in some cases it might take 24 to 48 hours to connect Squarespace domain to Hostinger, so till then you just have to wait patiently. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.